Hayi kona lama-light amanje angathi asethanda ukusigudla lama-light amanje. Yayiba blue i-light okanye ibe red mayi-red yabo. Kodwa le asekuthanda ubu-sub-therapist nje kanje. Ngathi seyikhawuthe ngathi kusa-rehab. Enye into bafana engenza ngibe keen kangaka ngomshado nje uzokhumbuleka ukuthi ngaphambilini before indlovukazi ngike ngajola nomlungu yabo. Ngisuke kumlungu ngaya kundlovukazi yabo. Ngaya kumlungu ngoba sengibona ukuthi okay abantu abamnyama engajola nabo okay, okushuthi okwamanje impatho isangenye indlela okanye yabo sezanti. Okay, wangibonisa kumeme lo esengemphethe manje after umlungu. Manje umlungu bebuya sabe lezi zinto engizenzayo bodova zo-G_B_V naze nasijolisa ngaphansi yini uthema nomngane phela. Yanini kancane yabo. Sesihlezi dlala i-defensive. Ubani ukuthathana ngicela manje ngenkathi nisiyeka kwathina senibiza ngemnqondo ama-cherry kodwa sibona ukuthi kumele nabeke isandla siniheda kangaka. Maybe my ancestors can answer as to why aka-dreams achieve. Bheka manje ngisebhayi kumnandi kulate. Phethe idark elitswembu impilo imnandi kakhulu. Tofo firm and fresh, ismile ngathi uJesu. Amehlakhe around ngathi ubuso bakhe. Nalo mhlaba uround maybe ngakhe umhlaba wami. Yazi ngizama ukukhonektha le wifi yabo. Mangqikile kanje yenza into engekho. Kodwa make ngaphakama esofeni ngathi iyaconnecteka-ke kahle yabo. Kushuthi le wifi ayimfuna umuntu ovilaphayo, ifuna umuntu okhuthele ngoba manje mangqikile ayi-connect. Kodwa mangiphakamile ngisukumile ngithe iya-connect. Ngithi uyabona nje uma ungibona uyabona ukuthi ngandlela thize nazi iy'buko ziyasho asifani yabo. So ukuthi uyangazi nami ngiyakwazi angingabe ngathi siyazana ngoba kungenzeka ukuthi ungazela mhlampe izinto ey'ngekho right okanye awungazi ngale ndlela ewuthando. Manje mina ngiyafana nokuthi angikwazi uma kunjalo yabona. Yeah, so stick to that. These niggas easy like walking. Ngiloko ngibahedile nje mfowami, ngibaheda kanje. Every step I take siyaheda. Yabo. Ubomi nje. Ngiyaheda. Yahlehle inqama, yaheda. Yaqhuba, yaheda. Iloko ihedile nje lento. Yabo? Yeah. Hayi la nto lo ngihedile nje. Bahede mfowami bongo. Yaheda inqama.
Calling me yeah, baby, do it like that. I like when it's snatch. I'm smoking the roach and killing the rats. Smoking the roach and I'm killing the rats. When I'm back in the jets, I be flipping the pack. Smoking the roach and killing the rats. Everything I got, I took, and if I owe this bitch, I paid it back. Hey, her face in my lap, I'm gripping the scrap. Ain't no meet and greet. When I see the butt, I'm smashing up. Rubies on my teeth, I done did the gold, I done did the platinum. My little nigga say easy, ain't no surprise, boy, you your daddy's son. Soon as he play, I'm getting wet. Lil' one came through, big old fire, look like flamethrower. Pillsbury kid, he hit the pot, build a dang fork, we hit the wide. Nigga been pulling tricks, jump out skateboard, bustin' lit, fucking the gravity stick, go get way more. Panoramic T, ain't got no hint, who the drive is. Every time it's a hit, they already guess them. Yeah, the snipers did, now the nigga, we ain't finna do much distance, let's get right with it. Hey, let's get right with it.
My nation money galore, I be dripping the yard, be all in this day. He dropping it right.
Such a beautiful moon, such a pretty moon. Yeah, it's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha. I'm saying pretty moon because I'm used to using words like pretty, you know. My sweetheart, you know, is so pretty. Yeah, see like the beauty of this moon, even at night, she shines so elegant. Abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi. Lesingane lezi zishushu showcase, le mali engaka le izosebenza, le mali engaka sizoyisebenzisa, le mali engaka le izosebenza, le mali engaka sizoyisebenzisa, ngoba abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi. Abantu bahle baningi, andazi man khethe, andazi man thatho. Ngoba abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, andazi man khethe, andazi man thatho. Ngoba abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, andazi man khethe, andazi man thatho. Nandilipoho, ndilipoho, 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 ndilipoho elselaho kook, hamba namapoho aselaho kook. Xa sesisonke sinxila kuze kuhle, xa sesisonke sinxila kuze kuhle, xa sivuka ngomso sinxile kuze kuhle, xa sivuka ngomso sinxile kuze kuhle, ngoba abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, andazi man khethe, andazi man thatho. Kojabula masoka. Yabona lapha kowethu kwaMbongo siwo maqaba inkungu vele ilanga ivile elifishane leza nonina. Mangithi leza nonina ngiyabona sabantu bomema, ngiyayibona yonto le impilo yethu ngifocusile komema, ngoba kahle kanje sifuna umema, sifuna sibone sigrand, yonke into nje yamema umele ihlezi grand, imoto nice and easy, yabo yeah, ijoyous, yayibona yonto leyo. Yeah, manje kusebenza nje mongaka, yabo yeah, cause ayashesha mfethu kuba grand yini, yabo bayiloko nje nalokho awuyibona uyabo ya sengiyasho ukuthi kena-ke leza abantu besilisa uyabona sisebenzela bona owakithi yabona kulivindi maye ngekho eduze kwami kulivindi wakithi maye ngekho eduze kwami owakithi owakwithi uyayibona lento leyo so inkosi yami.
It's the views in the oceans of Quebec. We're live and we're lit like Kumban. It's the views in the oceans of Quebec. We're live and we're lit like Kumban. Imibono yolwandle Quebec. Siyathandana njengamajo. It's the views in the oceans of Quebec. We're live and we're lit like Kumban. Imibono yolwandle Quebec. Siyathandana njengamajo. It's the views in the oceans of Quebec. We're live and we're lit like Kumban. Lento lena sayiqala emadofwe. Layigcwala ilokishi kwasichaza. Kwabalula nokuyibeka estrand. Mayisuka lapho sayibona kubona kude. Ngoba it's the views in the oceans of Quebec. We live and we lit like Kumban. Labelungu baphilisa abantu abamnyama. Kanti ukuthini lokhu eQuebec?
Yini umsangano kahle kahle kusawuphila kahle ekhanda lokuthanda indaba zabantu kanje yini umsangano njalo nje hey yazi kusamele ke ngiyo hayibo njalo nje yazi ubani sevelewa yazi usenze ukuthi akukho nokugodwa kuhle mntakushilo phela unyaka mntalo ehuba amahubo nje angasili nokugodwa nje kuyisibongo cha kodwa manje kumele kube ngazathi uke wabonga kumele ube ngazathi nje uthetha kahle hayi. Let the life be fulfilled on what it is, and let there be no pretense. In the name of Jesus Christ, amen. The goddess of light came for a visit. Eltran. It's the views, the oceans of Quebec. Sengayovakasha nje phesheya, yazi phesheya ngikhuluma ngalo wangama yabo. Sazoya kakhulu khona lapha. Yabo, kodwa amanye amaphesheya akhona la eSouth Africa. Akuwona nanto iLesotho neLantuka kuphela kula eSouth Africa phakathi yabo kunje thina sihamba ezinye indlela yabo ngoba nawo lamathenda asuke ephumela ukwakha imigaqo kusuke wakha imigaqo ukuthi manje ehamba abantu abathize bese ushintsha uyiswa phaka kwelaqala khona izwe likhona la eSouth Africa esithi thina liphesheya okanye kanjani ngale kwe-Oran
dripping like umntwana kaKwedini inoma ndiva ngayo. Hey. Feel. Ningifika ofeel. I am have I'm safe. Nexesha lenu lonke. Nexesha lenu lonke. Ningifika ofeel. Ningifika ofeel. I am have I'm safe. Nexesha lenu lonke. Nexesha lenu lonke. Asibani odumile bangaka abangani bakhe abasebenza kahle ikuphi inkinga ikubona noma ikwena bangaka abaphumelela ophila kahle nabo engayenza kodwa ayi apha kum cause njengaye nje khande west nawe ungalenza but hayi apha kuthi e-areeni uyaziwa ngedrag awupholanga nomsi ndogqithi kodwa yawe ungayenza but hayi apha kuthi feel ningifika ofeel I am have I'm safe nexesha lenu lonke nexesha lenu lonke ningifika ofeel ningifika ofeel I am have I'm safe nexesha lenu lonke nexesha lenu lonke asibani odumile bangaka abangani bakhe abasebenza kahle ikuphi inkinga ikubona noma ikwena bangaka abaphumelela ophila kahle nabo engayenza kodwa ayi apha kum cause njengaye nje khande west nawe ungalenza but hayi apha kuthi e-areeni uyaziwa ngedrag awupholanga nomsi ndogqithi kodwa yawe ungayenza but hayi apha kuthi kuyakhalwa nge-hard work yakho kuthiwa ise-Las Vegas wena ula akushiwonga ukuthi ayikho kuthiwe ise-Las Vegas wena ula kusayiwo lowo carpet ongena stain kazi indlu yakhona injani uma ucarpet wakhona ungena stain
And besides that, you see, when I was a young boy, a very young boy, I was a Boy Scouts. There are things called Scouts, you see. Not sure if they are done now because they are referred to as old curriculum or something like that, but yeah, their values stay old too. So there has to be like the one thing for girls again now. You see, it was for us boys, and then for boys it was Scouts, and then for girls it was Girl Scouts or something. Girl Guides, yeah, Girl Guides, because we were Scouts, you see. Yeah, used to be there. Let's say, yeah. So there used to be something that was used to be sang by Girl Guides, you see. Yeah, because they feel used to be we're doing the thing there, and then the Girl Guides are doing also their thing, you see. It's just an after school type of a thing, you see. So you could hear the songs they sing from there, you know. So it used to be like, Girl Guides, be prepared, it's our motto, be prepared, it's our Girl Guides, be prepared, it's our motto, be prepared, it's our motto. Or you may be asking where are the Boy Scout songs, hey, see those ones, hey. They are like, you know, they're like some type of songs. That's right now we are on Girl Guys. Uyabo uma ngibuyisele emuva ngizwe ngathi ngiyali-undermine idlozi lami, yabo. Yeah, angisebenzi indaba ka-Back to Sender, yabo. Kusho ukuthi phela sengiyafana nalo thumela ekuqaleni uma sengithi Back to Sender, yabo. Kanti uNkulunkulu wani mangisazoyilwela, yabo. Yeah, ukuthi sijabule nje ngoba thina sinje njengamaJuda. Can't claim my time, can't claim my time. I got some things I want to achieve. Want to have least things like I'm white. Work out every day like I got a farm. Poor. I could blame the niggas, but they maintain, man. I-taxi ngiyayikhokha mina. Mhlawumbe ngikhokha ukudlula wena ngoba ngifike ngikhokhe income tax, ngikhokhe wonke ama-tax, nawe ibhizinisi ngiyawakhokha. So ngalelo hlobo angilindele umuntu ezongitshela ukuthi kena-ke hey kuse-Eastern Cape la mina ngiyena wakhona. Imali yami pho ifunani khona? Yayibona leyo nto leyo. Hey, now uthanda ukuthi ubsit days njengomlungu. Thanda ukuthi ubsit days I 10 minutes njengomlungu. Oopsie daisy, I made it. And as I break myself from chains, niggas on the the same. Streets when you was doing the look at the work of God. Look at the work of God, the miracles that he did. It's funny how he lived so private, how even public. We ain't really the same, but we equally the same. If God can do for him, he surely can do for me. One is Zuzoyik, Zinetrach is one is Zinetrach is one is Zuzoyik, Zunetrach is one is Ungadaleli goes Zinetrach. Ewe Zinetrach and the Ziabola Nyan as it is young. Yabona post ngibuza ukuthi why amantombazane yabo ungathanda thanda ngoba bebaningi yize abanye basebethini yini bonova ngidlala ngey'ngane zabantu Nkosi yami zifuna ukuya ngishushe nje akumele Nkosi yami kunzima ngiyathanda ukuthatha i-advantage kodwa engizama ukusho mina ukuthi sisale ihliziyo emalini yabo into yesikhashana nje le samangena phakathi behlezi sikhona khona futhi njengoba sibusa nje namanje yabo lento yokubusa icaca masenihlanganyela sike simhleli lapho ubona khona even usuproof ukuthi vele samakhosi.
Oh yeah, so it's the morning now. Just realized I have a lot of things to do. You know, it's just so chilled, so nice for morning in the morning. But now I realize I have a lot of things to do. You know, sometimes I have a lot of things to do, and sometimes happens to be all the time. Have a good day, yeah.
Kuwo wonke amabhizinisi eBhayi, the one protection fee. I welcome you to Student Planets. Ezamanguni lezi. Ngiyabonga mabonga. Protection fee yokwenzani? Naye phila esithusa ngokuthi angazi kanjani njani impilo zethu. Naye nayo. Yalinganwa.
It's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha. We're live and we're lit like Kumbani. It's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha. We're live and we're lit like Kumbani. It's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha. We're live and we're lit like Kumbani. Cause it's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha. We're live and we're lit like Kumbani. The views in the oceans of Gqeberha. We're live and we're lit like Kumbani. Angiyazi mina intention umuntu abhembe ingoma yakhe impela kodwa phela yami nje ngoba ngibhalile ngicula bazicula kahle abantu sangicula nabo stage yabo sengireleasile sazotholelwa ibeat njengangayo si release yiwo la ama views eGqeberha nalo lwandle yabo pholile elirelaxile ngathi da yabo yiwo la ama views. So it's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha uyayazi yabona natso into engichaza ngalolu lwandle yabo pholile ngathi idamu nje elide elikhulu yabo ngathi lezi yathombe zalapha ku-internet engisuke ngiyibona mhlawumbe kuthothi isikepe nje sike sadlula yabo lezi conduct osihamba ngasodwana ya ngathi into kanjani nani emkhumbi la kuwo wonke amabhizinisi eBhayi, the one protection fee. I welcome you to Student Planets. Ezamanguni lezi. Ngiyabonga mabonga. Protection fee yokwenzani? Naye phila esithusa ngokuthi angazi kanjani njani impilo zethu. Naye nayo. Yalinganwa. It's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha. We're live and we're lit like Kumbani. It's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha. We're live and we're lit like Kumbani. It's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha. We're live and we're lit like Kumbani. Cause it's the views in the oceans of Gqeberha. We're we're live and we're lit like Umbani. The views in the oceans of Quebec. We're live and we're lit like Umbani. Angiyazi mina intention umuntu abhembe ingoma yakhe impela kodwa phela yami nje ngoba ngibhalile ngicula bazicula kahle abantu sengicula nabo e-stage yabo sengireleasile sazotholelwa i-beat njengangayo si-release yiwo lawo ama-views eGqeberha nalo lwandle yabo pholile lirelaxile ngathi idamu yabo yiwo lama-views so it's the views in the oceans of eGqeberha uyayazi yabona natso into engichaza ngalolu lwandle yabo pholile ngathi idamu nje elide elikhulu yabo ngathi leziya thombe zalapha ku-internet engisuke ngiyibona mhlawumbe kuthiwa isikepe nje sike sadlula yabo lezi conduct osihamba ngasodwana ngathi into kanjani nani emkhumbi la isililo seyinkabi imali iphelile kodwa iqunga liphelile lokhu kwizile umoya ukuthi wawungishelana umphefumulo wawudisconnectelana emhlabeni lokhu ibuzile lento phele enyaya imali wagezwa kwafana lokhu ibuzile abakwethu la ngoba abantu bahle baningi abantu bahle baningi abantu bahle baningi andazi mankhethe andazi manthathe ngoba abantu bahle baningi abantu bahle baningi lezi ngane lezi shushu showcase andiyazi mankhethe andiyazi manthathe nandilipo ndilipo elsela hoko ndihamba namabhuko asela hoko xa sesisonke sinxila kuze kuhle xa sesisonke sinxila kuze kuhle xa sivuka ngomso sinxile kuze kuhle he abantu bahle baningi abantu bahle baningi lezi ngane lezi shushu showcase andazi mankhethe andazi manthathe bese kuba khona oshimayo kukhona iy'ntombi ezimodern all over isipindeni nazo